After 1 hour, I will call you back. Wait me, please. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi.
more than 90% of them now living under the house arrest in China.
But have any come back to Kazakhstan?
Yeah, come back, and that kind of person who I said to you, that two gentlemen and so many people, but nobody accounted them, and how many of them already cross over our border, and you could write to our foreign affairs ministry, and you could get confirm the information only from our foreign affairs ministry or our embassy at China.
Okay, got it. Okay. Okay, sir. Well, thank you. We'll be in touch with WhatsApp. That's the best way to reach you, right?
Okay.
Okay. Lovely to speak with you, and I can't wait to meet you.
Okay, we eagerly waiting for you in Almaty.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You are welcome anytime. Bye bye.